Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel DCS Credit Card. To cancel your DCS Credit Card, you'll need to contact DCS Customer Service. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in dcscc.com and search. Once you do that, you will then end up in the official website for DCS. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us button. You can reach out to the DCS Card Center for assistance. Simply go ahead and look for the phone numbers available. Call on the number where it says Fraud and Lost Stolen Card Reports option and then make a phone call to this particular number. Provide necessary information while contacting them and be prepared to provide your card details and any other relevant information they may require. Inform the customer service representative that you want to cancel your DCS credit card and they will guide you through the process. Make sure to clear out any outstanding balances on your card before initiating the cancellation. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card from DCS. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.